A symphony of luxury and performance. Inside the 2024 Nissan Z Nismo interior. When it comes to sports cars, the exterior might turn heads, but it's the interior that truly immerses you in the driving experience. The 2024 Nissan Z Nismo, a masterpiece of automotive engineering and performance, does not disappoint when it comes to its interior. Let's take a closer look at the cockpit that awaits you when you slide behind the wheel of this exhilarating machine. Craftsmanship and comfort. Stepping inside the 2024 Nissan Z Nismo, you're immediately greeted by a blend of craftsmanship and comfort. The interior exudes an air of refinement and quality, evident in every detail. The seats are both supportive and comfortable, featuring a combination of leather and Alcantara upholstery. They're not only visually appealing, but also designed to keep you firmly in place during spirited driving, ensuring you're one with the car. The driver-centric cockpit. Nissan has taken a driver-centric approach to the Z Nismo's interior design, putting everything within easy reach and ensuring that the driver is the focal point of the experience. The steering wheel, wrapped in leather and featuring contrast stitching, feels perfect in your hands. Behind it lies a customizable digital instrument cluster that provides critical information in a clear and concise manner, allowing you to stay focused on the road ahead. The center console is dominated by a high-resolution touchscreen infotainment system that handles navigation, entertainment, and connectivity features. While technology plays a significant role, Nissan has kept physical knobs and buttons for essential functions, ensuring that you can make adjustments without taking your eyes off the road. Luxurious accents. Carbon fiber accents adorn the interior, lending an air of sportiness and sophistication to the cabin. These accents, along with the Nismo-specific red contrast stitching and red accents found throughout the interior, are a testament to the car's high-performance pedigree. The driving experience is further elevated by the available Bose premium audio system, which provides crisp and clear sound quality, turning your driving playlist into a concert on wheels. Whether you're enjoying your favorite tunes on a spirited drive or simply cruising along, the Z Nismo's interior provides a luxurious and immersive environment. Driver assistance and safety. In addition to the luxury and performance-focused features, the 2024 Nissan Z Nismo is equipped with advanced driver assistance systems. These systems include adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking, all designed to enhance safety without detracting from the joy of driving. Conclusion. The interior of the 2024 Nissan Z Nismo is a harmonious blend of craftsmanship, technology, and performance-focused design. It's a space where drivers can fully immerse themselves in the driving experience, with every detail meticulously crafted to enhance comfort and control. This sports car doesn't just excel in delivering thrilling performance, it does so while providing an interior that exudes luxury and sophistication. The 2024 Nissan Z Nismo proves that you don't have to sacrifice comfort and style for the sake of speed and agility. It's a car that caters to enthusiasts who appreciate the finer things in life without compromising on the excitement of the open road.